Okay, let's look at introduction. I gave some advice. You have to hearken to it for your own benefit. So, introduction. Computer or computing has become an integral part of everyday life in the 21st century. Computer or computing has become an integral part of everyday life in the 21st century. If you go to any institution now, secondary school, nursery school, primary school, the supermarkets, of anything, any place you can think of, even a small shop, you must see computer. That means everything we are doing is we try to move all our businesses. Our daily life revolves around the computer. There is no way I will stay a day without owning the computer to do one or two things: send information, prepare documents, prepare a course, check mails, and the rest. The important part is that some of the phones we are getting now is able to do some of those things, but there are some limitations when you are using phones. So in as much as you are working with Subway Energy Academy, uh, your assignment for us to really get a clearer picture of what you are doing, if you are able to use the computer, we advise you use the computer to do the assignment, submit it to us. That will make it very simple for us to mark your assignment. So computer or computing has become an integral part of everyday life in the 21st century. So we say computer has taken all over all sectors of human endeavor, from music. You don't need to go to the music shop to say I want to buy this particular music, I want to buy this tape. With computer or with advent changes in technology innovation, you can, from the comfort of your room, your house, get any music to your phone or to your computer, and you enjoy it. That is the reason, if you are in business, you have to move with the trend. Most times I think of all those music stores that were making good returns daily, and most times I think how they are surviving in this age. Because you go to the roadside, people are, before now people were selling the videos, the music. You just take your memory card, they will load the music to your phone and you go away. You don't need to go to the music shop to patronize them again. Nowadays you just go into the internet, google any music, and you get it right inside your phone. So this is a digital age, and we have to ensure that people that are following us get the right information, because if they don't get the right information, they will not be able to navigate, they will not be able to get the best from the training that we are giving, because we are using digital formats to aid our views in the different trainings that we have. So the foundation is one of such platform that will teach you different concepts: mathematics, physics, chemistry, and every other academic concepts, subjects that will help students, the younger generation, get the best foundation academically. And even when you talk of playing of games, computer has taken over photo, the banking sector, communication, sending and receiving mails, etc. Computer have changed the way we work and live. If you are still in the village or you are living Maybe you say, oh, I don't want to learn computer. That means you are living in an ancient time. You are living in the 18th century, 17th century. But if you want to live the life of this generation, you have to be highly versatile with how to use computer to do most of your businesses, transact business from any part of the world with the help of computer. So if you don't know how to navigate with the computer, if you want to run Facebook now, you need the computer. Some people, there are some functions that some application you will not be able to use phone and do it. So if you don't know how to navigate with the computer and use it for your own advantage in this digital world, it's your fault. It's certainly your fault. It's not my own fault. So you have to follow the trend. If you are an electrician, you know that electrical gadgets now, electronic devices now, you can just come to your house, you don't even touch anything, you tell your door to open. So things are changing every now and then, so you need to follow the trend. So every facet of our business, to be very frank with you, there's no document we send to a client that doesn't pass through processing. We process it using the computer. We want to do electrical drawing of any installation, we use AutoCAD. So virtually everything we do in our company, our business, we make use of the computer. So every facet of our business involves the use of computer. And what will have become of us, what will have become of us if we don't understand how to use the computer? Nothing would have become of us anyway. We would have go there and learn it, get it straight. And that is the reason we are starting with computer appreciation, so that we give you the basic foundation as to how to navigate the IT world. So there is no organization now that needs your services and will not ask you for your computer skill. If you want to write an employment, certainly if you tell them that you can do Microsoft, Excel, Corel Draw, maybe any other application, you will be of advantage. Those people who doesn't know in their CV, they don't include those things, it will be a big challenge. So those people that are seeking for employment in any organization, this will be the best place, the best platform, because I'm going to break this concept down. I'm going to take computer appreciation, computer Microsoft, PowerPoint, Excel, Corel Draw. I'll bring in other professionals in the IT world to handle other programs, other softwares that I will not be able to cover, so that when you join our platform, we try to prepare you for the future ahead. We prepare you for the future ahead, because when you graduate now, you go to the labor market, and if you don't have all this skill, it will be a big roadblock to getting employed. In fact, computer is real business. We will get to that, and I will try to show you that how you can profit from this knowledge, computing. So it's time to go computing. So why you need computer knowledge in today's society and business? Why do you need computer knowledge in today's society and business? We'll come back in a moment.